Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the new upcoming Motorola smartphone, the Motorola Nio, incoming with a 105 Hz display, Snapdragon 865 chipset. The Motorola XT2125 code name is Nio is currently going through internal testing, and it has an 1 ODD display. The refresh rate is set 105 Hz. No other phone or other type of device that we can think of has the particular refresh rate. An anti-Hz display can easily display 30 and 60 fps video. A 120 Hz display can neatly handle 24 fps as well. That is because those frame rates evenly divide the refresh rate. Maybe the display is adaptive, so it can lower its refresh rate too much the video fps. Why 105 Hz? Anyway, one possible explanation is that is 90 Hz panel that has been overclocked as a test, so the final design for retail could revert to the usual 90 Hz. The display on the Motorola Nio will have the 6.7-inch panel with a 1080p plus resolution. The phone will come with Android 11 out of the box, likely during the Q1 of the next year 2021. So the phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 chipset with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes base storage. A 12 gigabytes RAM and 256 gigabytes model is possible as well, but we will know more about as the launch nears. The new smartphone, the Motorola Nio, will have a 64 megapixel main camera on the back based on the OmniVision OV64B sensor. Beside it will be 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera OV16A10 and 2 megapixel deep sensor. The front facing camera will have a similar configuration with the 8 megapixel main module, Samsung S5K 4H7 and 16 megapixel ultra wide shooter. There is no word on a possible retail name for the XT2125 Nio. So this is the upcoming Motorola Nio smartphone. This is another great smartphone from Motorola. Motorola is now starting the making another big smartphone, the 5G smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for the Motorola smartphone? And also like this video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.